Hello Forex traders, this video is all about exploring 3 free tools that every Forex trader is using or knows about. So we all know that successful Forex trading is all about having that extra edge, which eventually equates to more pips in your account. So before we get on it, hit the subscribe and notification buttons. Let's get to it. On top of our list, we have TradingView. In our journey of Forex trading over the years, we have used a number of analyzing tools, and this one has been exceeding our expectations. The look and feel is just the cherry on top. Let's start off with some of the features we like. Number 1, you can follow traders based on your own preferences. For example, you can follow crypto traders, stock traders, commodity traders. Number 2, you can post, read, and comment on traders' ideas just like ours right here. Number 3, the charting features are easy to use. Whether you're a beginner or advanced trader, you'll find it easy to analyze your instruments on the platform. Let me switch over to charts and show you a few examples. The platform comes with a number of built-in indicators you can choose from. Let's take a look at the list here. You can draw your trend lines, support lines, and resistance lines. You can also sketch your ideas using the notes option right here. You can use the built-in ruler to calculate distance between your entry and exit points. You can also calculate your risk-reward ratio using this tool over here. For example, you can use the Pine editor here to create your own scripts. Now, this is a very powerful tool every trader must know because you can also code your strategies and backtest them as well. Number 2 on our list is investing.com. Now, investing.com is a very complex site which is constantly evolving. You may sometimes be bombarded with too much information on it. Most of the information we used at the initial stages up until today were filtered through this platform. So we primarily use it to look at news headlines and the economic calendar. So as you can see here, I'm going to click on the news. You see what's been happening today. And then I'll also click on the economic calendar over here. And then you can take a look at what's being announced today, tomorrow, this week, and next week. Number 3 on the list is MyFXBook.com. This is another well-built platform with a lot of tools you can explore. We use only to analyze which of the pairs on our watch list are extremely correlated and also the Forex calculators on it. You may have bumped into currency correlations in your web searches, which is a fundamental factor that you have to be wary of amongst other important tips in your strategy. We will cover it more in detail in our upcoming videos. So this platform basically allows you to see which pairs are positively or negatively correlated and to what extent. You do not want to be caught increasing your risk by trading extremely correlated pairs. You can also use the Forex calculators here to basically calculate your position sizes to keep to your risk levels. In conclusion, you'll be using investing.com to take note and understand high-impact news that may affect the currency pairs you want to trade. You'll then switch over to FXBook to understand how correlated the pairs are and how the information will affect your thought process. You'll then use TradingView to analyze the pairs you want to trade, draft the buyers in your journal, of course, determining your entry trade, stop loss, take profit, and how you're going to manage the trade. You'll then switch back to FXBook, Forex calculators, and determine the size position you want to place. And finally, you'll place your trade and manage it accordingly. That's it for this video. Keep an eye out for our next video and also enroll on our How to Make Money Selling Money Forex course, which you can find on our website at uniforexdojo.com. Happy trading, fellow traders.